Good afternoon, dear students. As you have seen in the previous video about e-market and traditional market, I mean electronic marketing and traditional marketing, the main differences between these two. Under e-marketing, where we can get everything matter of few hours, but traditional marketing took more time and also expensive. We studied, and at any time we can place an order, we can do business, we can buy and sell the things through e-marketing according to our convenient time. But here traditional marketing is something difficult. With that we finished in the previous video, right? Yes. And today some other technologies in the marketing field, what we are going to see. Okay, let us begin with e-tailing. Yes, everything like through system, like the direct visit to a mini showroom in the street, the particular district, village, even in the website also. If you enter into website, the particular company's website, we may come to know how they keep the goods and things in the same way how they arranged, how they displayed in the regular showroom, the same way they can show all those things. So according to our taste, according to our likes, we can place an order. Okay, well, then once you place an order by using credit card and any other methods, the things will come to our address, either courier service or any other service. So that directly we are able to connect with the particular shop, particular companies. So that is business to consumer. Okay, well, that's why it is always called as online trading. Okay, then the next one, what is that? Green marketing. See the picture, Made. Green marketing. That's what business now. Definitely there will be a pollution, noise, and wastage and crowds. So all these environmental problem will definitely arise, as we see very often. Even the residence area nearest to bus stand, park, railway station, all the waste things. Even the back to what is this? Our Dunlop ground. See, on a huge hill seems that much. More than over 30-40 years they kept all those waste things there. So in and around that area, completely nasty pollution, nice pollution, bad smell, and what is this? The soil originality also destroyed, the water also fully polluted, and everything. So to avoid all those things, this type of marketing nowadays so familiarized with the customers. So even we too also, even the customer also now willing to buy those things which are not giving any troubles to the society or to the people, that is to the environment. That's what in every cities they want to keep everything so neatly. That's what they now try to make this smart city also. So now all the people more or less they came to realize and accept that without this all wastage, the residential area work, business area work to be kept so neatly, so that we can avoid all those environmental problems. Okay, this type of marketing now, that type of things which will not give us any harm to our environment, which company's product will not destroy any of our peacefulness. These type of things the consumers are well aware of that, so that they are willing to buy these type of things now. The next, social marketing. See that picture, it is another type of new marketing trend today. So what they insist the people insists the common people something to be followed with a to help the whole nation as such, the whole state, the whole district, அது ரெசிடென்ஷியல் ஏரியாவாக இருக்கட்டுமா இல்லை ஒர்க்கிங் பிளேஸாக இருக்கட்டுமா. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் வித் எ வே டு மெயின்டைன் த சோசியல் குட்னஸ், social well-being. For example, generally we ourselves we can guide the common people not to smoke in the public place, illama, and also to avoid unnecessary accidental problems while driving, follow the speed limit, traffic rules, wearing seat belt, illama, all those things, so that we can avoid such a social some unwanted accidents and other any problems, இல்லையம்மா. ஸோ ஆல் தீஸ் திங்ஸ் ஒன்லி ஃபார் சோசியல் குட்னஸ். சி ட்ரக் அடிக்ட் ஆகிடுறாங்க சின்ன சின்ன பசங்களை, அதில் மிஸ்யூஸ் பண்ணி இப்போ த்ரூ அவுட் த கண்ட்ரிமா தே பாஸ்ட் ஆக்ட் வேரியஸ் ஆக்ட் டு எராடிகேட் ஆல் தோஸ் சோசியல் ஈவில்ஸ் அண்ட் தேர்பை டு ப்ரொடெக்ட் த கண்ட்ரி, இல்லைம்மா. ஆன்டி டவுரி, ரோட் சேஃப்டி, particular protection of girl child, then against the not to use the plastic things, so avoid using plastic things. So all those things nowadays so well recognized, and this will help the entire society to avoid certain social evils, so that we the human being we can have the happy and peaceful life. This is the ultimate aim of this type of marketing. Then next ma, rural marketing. See that picture ma, rural marketing. So here, as we know very well, all the household items, the agricultural product, household vegetables, flowers, and daily things whatever we need brought from the village area, rural area, I mean cultivated land from very far distance and brought to the city area, particularly to Coimbatore area, and from Coimbatore all those inside cities are they can again from the shop owners or big shop they may buy and distribute and through wholesaler retailer, and nearest to our residence place we are able to buy all those things. So no need to go to Coimbatore area or the particular long village area ma. In front of our residence area we are able to get all the things, and thereby we are able to lead our life, daily life, so happily. Okay ma. So these are all the things that village people they brought to the agriculture people they brought to Coimbatore area, city area. Similarly from city side some of the things they taken to rural area, all those things, so that see here the soap, cosmetics, textile items, the electrical items, is it possible for the village people to come to city always ma? No, all those things, electrical things agutuma, wooden things agutuma, அப்புறம் ஸ்டேஷனரி திங்ஸ் ஆகட்டுமா, ஈவன் டெக்ஸ்டைல் திங்ஸ் ஆகட்டுமா, those things can be taken from city to rural area, and from neighbor our residence area we are able to buy, the village people able to buy all the things and able to lead their life so happily. Okay, whatever they cultivated including rice, wheat, everything, lemma, from rural area to city and from city to rural area there will be a incoming and outgoing, solumallama, inflow and outflow of goods. So all the people throughout the state, rural area, urban area, city side agutuma, so because of the movement of goods from one area to another area with the help of all modernized today's transport facilities, so we are able to get the things in time and consume the things and lead our life so peacefully and happily because of this all rural marketing. Then next one, service marketing. That is also very very important. Service marketing. Okay mama. இப்போ for example if you need any help, any financial help, we can approach the banker. Regarding any insurance, then we can approach the insurance agency. Then any court or legal problem connected with our assets, property, house or plot or land or anything, we can advise, seek the help of legal personalities, lawyers, and any medical help we need, we can seek the help of medical doctors field members, and so that they are even they are charging, and we are supposed paying in the fees everything, but these are all what we can say as intangible services, unlike the physical goods which can be bought and sold. But these things, who lawyer, medical people, insurance, banking sectors, they are all providing certain intangible services. You just think over, if they close the bank due to any reasons, just think over one day how we are suffering, particularly as business people ma, crores level transactions suppose stopped, so they felt they lose so many things. Okay ma, so telecommunications இது எல்லாமே இல்லைமா. So these are all the institutions, they are rendering valuable services to the human society. So without these sectors, that's what service sectors is சொல்லுவோம். That's why they are, what they are doing is called service marketing. Even though they are charging for all the services what they are rendering, they are charging some services, charges something. But just think of, without this, the only thing, unlike the other marketing technologies where the goods can be bought and sold, but here services can be availed and the payment to be made. Okay, these are all what you call service marketing. Then next, what do you say? Commodity exchange. What do you say? Commodity exchange. Service marketing. Then commodity exchange irupoduma. So here all these goods can be bought and sold with some agreement. Okay ma, even the wholesaler agtuma, retailer agta, shop owner agtuma, they used to buy the things based on certain conditions. Okay ba, and particularly, for example, what they made certain agreement or contract to fix the price, to bring the things, particularly the crude oil, natural gas, gold, idellame pathina, they may make an agreement for this particular company, this 1 year ku this much is the contract price அப்படின agreement போட்டு throughout the year agreed period they may take the things and bring the things to the market and sell the things to the concerned people. Okay ba, these are all what you say commodity exchange market. Okay ba, so then that another one thing, see ma, niche marketing, that is another one, it's very very important, that is niche marketing அப்படிங்கிறதுமா. This is mainly to attract the divert the attention of the particular sector of particular segment, particular type of customers. Actually there is no such a specific market unlike other market ma, vegetable market, fruit market, share market, but here only for the particular type group of people. For example, only sports people, இல்லையாமா, for example only cinema artist, அந்த மாதிரி பீப்புளுக்குமா this type of market more helpful. ஓகேவா, for example see here, இந்த சினிமா தியேட்டரில் வச்சுக்கோமா, சினிமா தியேட்டராக இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை இந்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் ஈவெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் நடக்குது இல்லாமல், இது T20 கிரிக்கெட், அந்த ஒலிம்பிக் இதெல்லாம் நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்கலாமா. இப்போ அவங்கள பாருங்கம்மா, பர்டிகுலராக இப்போ ஆர்டினரி சினிமா தியேட்டருக்கும் ஏசி தியேட்டருக்கும் ஒரு சில வித்தியாசங்கள் இருக்குமா. ஆர்டினரி தியேட்டர் எவ்ரிபடி வில் கோ, பட் ஏசி தியேட்டருக்கு கொஞ்சம் அந்த பால்கனி இந்த சீட்டில் இல்லாமல் ஃபஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்னு சொல்லியிருப்பானுங்க, அதெல்லாம் அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு 4-3 times எக்ஸ்ட்ரா காஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும், மோர் தேன் த நாமினல் காஸ்ட். ஓகேம்மா, அதனால only for those type of people, only for those type of ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு பணக்காரங்கன்னு வச்சுக்க, பணக்காரன்ட்டு இல்லாமல் யார்கிட்ட காசு நிறையா இருக்குதோ அந்த மாதிரி ஆளுக்கு அந்த மாதிரியே. ஓகேவா, ஸோ this type of ticket to be sold out. For example, sports events ஆகவே வச்சுக்கிட்டோமா, இல்லை சர்க்கஸாகவே இருக்கட்டுமா, அந்த ஒரு ஃப்ரண்ட் ரோ, அந்த விஐபின்னு சொல்கிறோமா, விஐபி ரோன்ட்டு அவங்களுக்கு வந்து டெஃபினட்டாக few ticket to be sold at costly இல்லையா, 4 times 3 times more than the actual cost. ஏன்னா this is mainly to attract those type of people இல்லையாம்மா. Even 100 people will go, those are interested, but the ultimate aim is to attract those type of people, those are ready to pay more cost. Even லாஸ்ட் ரோவில் உட்காந்தாலும் அதே ஈவெண்ட்டு தான், அதே சினிமா தான் இல்லைம்மா, ஆர்டினரி தேட்டரில் பார்த்தாலும். பட் இருந்தாலும் இந்த பால்கனியில் உட்காந்து அந்த ஃபஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் டிக்கெட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோமா, அதில் நின்று பார்க்கும்போது தேர் மே பி சம் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். ஓகேவா, அது பர்டிகுலர்லி இந்த சினிமா தேட்டராக இருக்கட்டுமா, இல்லை இந்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் ஈவெண்ட்ஸ் நடக்கலாமா, லைக் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் ஸ்டார், ESPN, ஸ்டார் கிரிக்கெட், இதெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது only they are focusing those type of people. ஓகேவா, that's why it is called niche marketing. But actually here there is no such marketing really. Okay, that they are creating artificially. That's what the famous saying, be a big fish in a small pond instead of being a small fish in a big pond. இல்லையாம்மா, ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு மீன் இல்லைம்மா ஒரு சின்ன தொட்டிலையோ இல்லை குட்டையிலையோ குளத்தில் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது நமக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா, அது ஈஸியாக நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருவோம். அப்படி இல்லாமல் ஒரு பெரிய குளத்தில் ஒரு பெரிய தட்டில் ஒரு சின்ன சின்ன மீன்களை போட்டிருந்தால் அந்த மீன்களை பார்க்க முடியுமாம்மா, கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அதனால தான் சொல்கிறதுமா, இந்த மாதிரி விஐபிகளுக்கு மட்டும் அந்த டிக்கெட் டு பி சோல்ட் அவுட் அட் மோர் காஸ்ட்லி ப்ரைஸ். ஓகேவா, திஸ் இஸ் வாட் யூ கால் niche marketing. Okay, good. And next one, I think this is enough for today's class. The rest of things we will see in the next class. Okay ma, so that dear students, after watching this video ma, you just learn these things and write some note as one test about this green marketing and social marketing. Okay ma, about these two, green marketing and social marketing, you can write one test and take photo and send to me. Okay ma, so the rest of things we are going to see in the next video. Okay, see you, bye.